welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today it looks like we've been in the garden, the little grocery store garden though. We have our mason jars and fruit and vegetables set up. Today we're going to be doing some juicing, y'all. I know a lot of us are preparing for the summer and want to look fine. So let's get into some recipes that will keep us looking just like that. So first we're going to start with my mean green recipe. We're going to take one large cucumber. We're going to take a good old stalks of celery and place them into our juicer. We've peeled 2 lemons. And we're going to be adding 2 large green apples that we've just chopped and sliced in halves to make it easier to put into our juicer. And we're going to be adding this first into our mason jars. It's going to fill up about 3 of them. And we'll come back and add in half of our whole pineapple as well. So let's add this to our mason jars first. And I always try to slowly add in the juice to the mason jars to make sure they're all pretty much even. And like I said, this fills up about all 3 of them. So let's add in 2 or half of our pineapple. And we'll add that to our mason jars. And there goes our other one. And look at this fresh pineapple juice. I love a good pineapple. We're just gonna top those mean greens off with a little yellow. Now the store didn't have ginger, but I like to add ginger powder if I can't find ginger root in the store, because usually I would juice that too. But we're just going to be adding about a teaspoon of ginger powder into each of our mean greens. All right, y'all, and that's pretty much it for mean green. She looking mean, but she pretty in her green. So you just want to put the tops on and give it a nice little shake, and you can see all that juicy juice in our mean green. And y'all, with these juices, I juiced for 2 weeks and lost about 10 pounds. Juicing, water, smoothies, all 3 of those combined, you'll lose some weight. You'll be ready for them bikinis and them hoochie daddy shorts. I promise you. All right, y'all. So let's get started on our orange sunrise. We're going to take another half of our whole pineapple. I've sliced them in 2, just like I did the mean green. And there goes our other half. And we're going to be adding 1 lemon this time. We have 3 oranges that we've peeled. And we'll be adding about 4 large carrots, and we cut the tops off. And we'll be adding 2 red apples that I've sliced in half. And then I have just a few cute little strawberries, about 8 of them. And that'll be it for our orange sunrise. Now this one is super sweet, it's delicious, very refreshing. And we got all them keratin minerals and ingredients and vitamins for us, all that vitamin C. Great, y'all. It's great for the summer. So we'll be adding that to our mason jars. That should also fill up about 3. And like I said, I would also juice a ginger root, but didn't have it, so we'll also be adding about a teaspoon of ginger powder to our orange sunrise as well. All right, y'all, look how pretty orange sunrise looks. And just like mean green, give it a nice little shake and you can see all them juices. Don't forget to clean up behind yourself because it can be messy. But that is it, y'all, for our juicing recipes. They're super easy, fruitful, vegetable, all the above. We want to be a little healthy and light and green sometimes. And I wanted to share this recipe with my little health nuts out there. I like to be healthy too. But that's pretty much it, y'all. And we're just going to put this in our refrigerator. These are good for about 3 to 4 days. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as always. I will see you guys on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.